Hey everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how I updated my kitchen with a very affordable countertop. I purchased this countertop from Home Depot. It is the Hampton Bay and it is a laminate which looks like fake granite. It's one of the nicest fake granites that I've seen. It is in the color called Typhoon Ice, and I had to use two separate pieces to go the entire length of my kitchen, but it's absolutely perfect if you're on a budget and you want to save a lot of money. You could do it yourself for a fraction of the cost, and really nobody can tell. Right here I'm showing you some up close views of the countertop. You can see that it has a beautiful texture. It has some nice colors of black and beige and ivory and a little bit of white or off-white. It has a shine to it, so it kind of resembles real granite. And it also has some texture on the surface of it that makes it look similar to a stone, as you can see. Trying to show you some up close views. It includes a backsplash and an edge, and it's all one piece, so it's super easy to install. Right here you can see it in the sunlight to get a really great idea of what kind of texture it has. It does not look fake at all. It's very, very hard to tell that this is not real granite. You could see the little texture pieces in there, look like dimples. And then I had where I was contemplating using the like sticky stuff that you put over the countertop, over my old countertop. And these are samples that I received in the mail from two different companies that I found on Amazon. The left side is from one company, and you can see how shiny and fake it looks. It looks like contact paper, and also the print of it, you can tell that it wasn't real granite. So after I received these samples, I really looked, and that's why I went to Home Depot and got the pieces myself. On the right side is another company. These are smaller samples, and you could see how shiny they are. It just looks like contact paper. They also sell stainless steel, but the company name I'm going to show you in a second. But yeah, look how fake this looks. It's just so shiny. It looks so fake. But if you're pinching pennies and you want to go this route, you can. I wouldn't say not to, but definitely if you want something that's more long term, I would suggest just buying the pieces at Home Depot. And honestly, I think it was like under $500. So you can really upgrade your kitchen for cheap. If you found this helpful, please give me a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching.